Hey everybody. Okay, so here we are in my Google Classroom that I share with Miss V. And when you go to, we have all these grades, we have all these kids submitting work and so on and so forth. Um, so I was curious how I could let a lot of the kids are like, "Oh, how do I know what I haven't done or whatever?" So if you go to people and you go to their name. Now I'm up to Oni, so I'm going to go click into Oni. It tells me all her work in order, like today's stuff is first and everything else is towards the bottom. I'm going to click email. I'm going to put in a little message that I've already typed. I'm going to click include student work summary and click send. And they will get a summary of the work that they've done or haven't done for you, and then you can continue on down the list. So it's actually pretty easy, and it might make it easier for your parents to see the summary as opposed to trying to look at everything all at once. Hope that was helpful.